Hey guys, welcome back to the Hooked On channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Racor filter change here for these Racors right back here. These are the tools and supplies that we need for this project. First thing I do is put an oil pad under the Racor that I am changing and turn off the fuel valve. Then carefully unscrew the cap. When I remove the cap, I place the tool pick under the O-ring seal so that it does not fall into the Racor filter housing, which has happened to me before, and it really is a pain to try and fish it out. Sometimes the O-ring falls right out of the cap. Other times it's stuck in there, so you need to use the tool pick to carefully pry it out. I take the new O-ring and there's a little bit of diesel left on top of the old filter, so I'll dunk it in there just to soak it with some diesel and then carefully place it into the cap. This gives the rubber O-ring a little bit of lubrication. I used the tool pick as well to remove the small circle O-ring that is on the actual screw bolt. Before I slide the old filter out of the canister, I prep a small disposable trash bag and I use the old oil spill pads that are underneath my engine. So I place them in the bag so that they can soak up any diesel and not make a mess. I then slide the filter up very slowly as to not spill diesel everywhere, and then hold it once I get to the top for about a minute just so that the diesel can drain off before I place it into the trash bag with the old oil pads. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing to be sure not to splash the diesel all over the place. The canister was still pretty full after I put in the new filter, so I didn't feel it was necessary to top it off with diesel, but otherwise I would have, using a small can of diesel or the electric primer fuel pump. When screwing it back down, make sure you tighten it up so it's snug, but don't over crank it. This is the same process that I use for all the Racor filter changes, including the generators, which are the small 500 series ones that you see on the far left and right side. Then always make sure you turn the fuel valve back on so that when you start the engine, it doesn't get starved of fuel. If you notice the black wire I'm attaching to the top of the Racor filter, that's for a NEMA pressure sensor that I can read on my chart plotters up on the fly bridge. I hope this video was helpful in changing the Racor filter element. Like and subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.